The book of Zephaniah, verse 17. And I will bring distress upon men, that they shall walk like blind men, because they have sinned against the Lord, and their blood shall be poured out of the dust, and their flesh as the dung. Neither their silver nor their gold shall be able to deliver them from the day of the Lord's wrath, but the whole land shall be devoured by the fire of his jealousy, for he shall make even a speedy riddance of all them that dwelleth in the land.